Welcome back! In this video, we're diving into the world of financial possibilities with Flow. From creating invoices, receipts, and quotations to one of the most powerful tools, offline bookkeeping. Let's get started right now. We're assuming you've already set up your workspace. If not, be sure to check out our previous video on how to get your workspace up and running before continuing. If your workspace is already created, simply head to the left sidebar, expand the Invoice menu, and click on Create Invoice to begin. On the Invoice page, the first step is to add your customer. Enter their name, phone number, and email address. Then click Add Customer. This ensures you can easily select them for future invoices without re-entering their details. Next, select the appropriate invoice and due dates. Then, add your invoice details, including item description, quantity, and price. After that, you can include taxes. If you choose inclusive tax, the tax is calculated from within the total amount. But for this video, we'll use exclusive tax, where the tax is calculated separately and added on top of the total. You also have the option to display a detailed tax breakdown on the invoice. Finally, enter any relevant notes you'd like to appear on the invoice and click Create Invoice to generate it. Once your invoice is created, you'll see it displayed with all the relevant details you've added. You'll also notice buttons that allow you to edit the invoice, generate a receipt, or create a transaction. The transaction option lets you log exactly how the funds from this invoice were spent, keeping your records accurate and up to date. To generate a receipt, click on Generate Receipt. A pop-up window will appear where you'll enter the payment amount and transaction date. Flow will automatically show you the remaining outstanding balance, so you know exactly what's left. Once everything looks good, click Generate to complete the process. Once the receipt is generated, it clearly shows the outstanding balance if the invoice hasn't been fully paid. You can also download the receipt for your records or to share with your customer. Back on the invoice page, there's an amazing feature that lets you create a new invoice from an existing one. Just click the three dots on the target invoice, then select Create Invoice from Current Invoice. You'll be greeted with a familiar invoice form, similar to editing, but this time, you can simply add a new customer while keeping the existing content intact. This is perfect for repeating similar services without having to retype everything from scratch. In this example, we'll use an inclusive tax setup. You'll notice how Flow automatically calculates the tax within your total amount, adjusting the subtotal accordingly. This setup works well when you want to maintain a fixed cost for your clients, without making them feel burdened by additional tax charges. Back on the invoice page, you can also create a quotation directly from an existing invoice. It works just like creating a new invoice, but this time, you're generating a quote instead. If you've already shared an invoice with a client before, generating a quotation from it keeps all the previous details intact. This makes it easier and faster to manage both invoicing and quotations without repeating the same steps. Get excited for the next feature to blow your mind, but that will be on the next video. See you around!